everyone. This is Yasser with momotrades.com. Hope everyone is doing good. Today, I wanted to talk about the 2-day trades that I make on my website and share with my fellow traders, which actually basically highlights the short-term momentum of a stock and how I can benefit from that. So you can always play that on the short and long side of the stock of the trade. So I use this stockcharts.com website for scanning those potential stock trades. You can always use other one, ones out there, such as Financial Ways. That is really one of good ones as well. So whatever you feel comfortable with, basically. I've been using this for a while, so I like it. You go to the members area, go to the advanced scan workbench, and I've built all these different scans here for myself that I've saved, and I keep on tweaking them based on different market conditions. So the one that we are talking about today is the 2-day trade that I make, and I've categorized them according to if I'm going to be bearish or bullish. But then again, I let the scanner talk to me. I let the data bring back the potential stock candidates so I can be taking multiple trades throughout the day or towards the end of the day, bullish or bearish depending on whichever meets the criteria. So let's take a look at one of these bullish hammer. So once the scanner comes right here, you can go ahead and click on run scan, and it brings you the potential trades for the day that you can go and execute. I like the ones that are kind of have a heavy volume. They're just more liquid. You can get a bid and spread, bid and ask spread that is, that does not have that much spread in them, and you can easily execute it. So I think the ones that I would actually go and trade for this one would be just this one, NNN, National Retail Properties. ETFs are good, but they don't move that much, and I'm trying to we're trying to look for a trade that actually moves a little bit. So go and click on that. It opens up the daily chart for that stock, and you can see I have some studies uh, showing up on this chart as well, and I'll talk about them in a minute. But you can see, first of all, nice hammer looking candle right here. It, we had a similar candle right here on the 20 and 50-day moving average as well. So that those are always, you can say, you can always look at them as sort of a potential bouncing point for stocks that are trending. So this one is generally trending upwards. It made this retracement, and now it got this bounce. So since right now the market is closed, I would have made this actual trade at or after 2 p.m. before market close. So the shape of this candle might not be looking like this at that very moment, or since this shows the closing price for that day. But you get the idea. We would not have been closed at 2 p.m., so it will be a little different than this. This shows the one thing that I look for is ATR, the 14-day average. So I do not want to trade a stock that has already made its you can say 1.5 times the average true range. So at the average true range that is currently going on for this particular stock is about 80 cents. So 1.5 times of that is around $1.20. How much has this stock moved from its low of the day to high? About less than $1. So this is good. This is a good stock to trade then, because I'm looking for a stock that has not moved more than 1.5 times its ATR. So I will go and drill further down to a 5-minute chart for that particular day. And so this is 2 o'clock right there, right? So this would have shown up on my scanner right about here, right? And then to execute or to maximize the profit, I would have liked for to execute this trade when the CCI over here or the this slow stock was below 30. And it doesn't look like it came below 30 after 2 p.m., right? So if that is the case, I simply go and execute or actually go and buy that stock at 3:30, not no later than that or no before that. So I would have bought this stock at 44.35 here, since I would not have gotten that those conditions meeting where the slow stock was be below 30. uh, so since that did not happen, looks like it was going to happen over here, but the stock price did not really come down. So it's already a nice bullish move where it's making its way up. So I would have bought this stock right here at 44.35. It closed a little bit above that, nice volume, and I would go and close that trade the next day. Not at the open, but I'm looking to make anywhere between 1 to 3, about 3% on that trade. So yeah, so that is sort of a 2 day trade. It helps me with overcoming the SEC's pattern day trader rule as well. Since to be honest with you, my personal account is below 25K, so I like, but I don't want SEC giving those warnings to me every day. If I go and enter my account saying that you have been identified as a pattern day trade ruler, you have only 5 trades, round trades left, before you're only restricted to closing trades. So to avoid that sort of a warning, I try to make these 2 day trades and try to be consistently positive. So you can see these things can work, and you can always go find more about these trades and my trade history on the trade history tab of momotrades.com. All right. For any questions, you can always email me at yasser@momotrades.com, and I would be happy to engage and talk to you about anything or any subject. All right. Hopefully, this was a good informational video clip for you, and hope to talk to you guys soon.